with a big thank you to Pooja Singh for providing an amazing opportunity to all the aspirants who want to make their mark in the modeling and glamour industry. This event is supported by Diva Pageants, who just made a mark for themselves in the span of 5 years, and today they are a big name in Mrs. Pageant industry, not just nationally but internationally. But before we call the first category to kickstart the show, let's honor all our partners for their great association. Our digital media partner, Cafe Social Magazine, photography partner, Anand Sampath Photography, print media partner, FemGlam Magazine, gifting partner, Hazel by Yuti Raval, video partner, Red Eye Picture, makeup partner, Anaisha's Artistry by Mamta Manglani, event coordinator, Mrunali Taire, cinematography partner, Cinereal India, official MC, Farha Anwar, designing partner, Satish Malusure, production partner, Bluestone Live Events.
And now it's time to do the felicitation of our partners who have been kind enough to sponsor us, to support us and make this event a grand success. So can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And on that note, I would like to call Danish Ahmed, owner of Publicity Aminora, to come on stage and join us. So now it's time to call the dynamic duo Carl and Anjana on stage, who have supported this grand event by their presence. Unfortunately, Anjana is not able to join us today because of her health reason, but we have the dynamic Carl with us. So Carl, welcome. And we all have been waiting since morning for you to be here with us. So first of all, we would like to have some words of wisdom from you. After that, we are going to provide you this gorgeous, sexy trophy to take her home tonight.
So I'm going to take some girl home, if not my wife. Wow. No, firstly, thank you for doing a marvelous job as always. And it's always nice to be in the presence of Dan the Man. But I am here specifically because the second love of my life, her name is Pooja. And you know, we couldn't disappoint her, so it was a privilege supporting this event and being able to not go for money heist, but to go and heist the runway. So cheers Pooja, more power to you, and may it go even better in the future. Cheers.
Thank you so much, Carl, and this is a token of love from our side. Thank you so much for supporting us and making this event a huge success. Beautiful Mamta from Anaisha's Artistry to come and join us on stage, please. Thank you so much, Mamta, for your support. And now it's time to call our gifting partner, Yuti Raval, on stage. She's the brand owner of Hazel, who have been kind enough to gift their beautiful hampers to all the participants of Runway Heist 2020. Can we have Yuti on stage? Director of Diva Pageants, Carl Mascarenhas, once again on stage, please, for trophy distribution. Amazing cinematography. Can we have Cinereal India, Bibin Picherian on stage, please? our beautiful coordinator Mronali Tade on stage, please. Red Eye Picture, Mr. Ashraf Jamadar on stage. Thank you so much, Carl, for joining us. Thank you. And now it's time to put our hands together for the fantastic, for the beautiful, gorgeous Cynthia Furtado, who is also Mrs. West India 2019. Let's put your hands together for Cynthia. Our photography partner Niranjan on stage now. Satish Malusure on stage. From Blue Stone Live Events. Can we have Karan quickly joining us on stage, please? Let's put our hands together for the amazing DJ and sound partner for tonight, Amit.
So can we all put our hands together for the gorgeous, sexy, beautiful, very beautiful Farah Anwar, who's been lighting up the show, and it has been a beautiful runway heist by the one and only The Pooja Singh. So we'd like to felicitate our gorgeous Farah Anwar. Taaliyan to ho sakti hai iske liye. Come on, come on, come on.
So I had a great time at Runway High Season 1 2020 at Amolik Farm near Lonavala. Everything was up to the point. The models were gorgeous, the choreography was beautiful, and the dresses were to die for. And absolutely the beautiful location is the icing on the cake. So you have to come to this beautiful farm and witness it yourself. And I'm sure the photographers and the cinematographers, the video partners would have captured and did justice to this beautiful location of Amolik's farm. And on this note, I think we are also rolling out season 2 very soon. So please log on and participate and come and join us next year. Bye.
Welcome back. I hope everybody enjoyed this show. लेकिन अभी एक इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो आना बाकी है. हम आपको बताएंगे पर्दे के पीछे का सीन, यानी कि ये फैशन शो किस तरह बनाया गया है और इसके पीछे कितने लोगों की मेहनत है. जाने से पहले और एक आपको रिक्वेस्ट कि हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए. तो तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड टेक केयर.